I was lightning before the thunder.
Hey guys, welcome back to Harp Dog Z. And sorry guys, I just haven't been uploading any videos. I don't have any ideas. I actually had to watch some squishy video idea videos because I don't have video ideas. So comment down below any video ideas because I really need them and I want to know what you guys want to see. Because, yeah. So, anyway, today, as you might tell by the title, I will be doing squishies that I recommend, and I have, I think, 8 squishies that I recommend, just like squishies that are good, that are in my collection. I'm not gonna like recommend squishies that I don't have, because I don't know if they're good. So, yeah. But anyway, this is a long intro, I'm sorry. So let's just get straight on into it. So this is in no specific order. I'm just going by like ones that I pick up. So the first recommended squishy is Hello Kitty donuts. I think they're really good squishies. I have this one. They're really cute. And they're really squishy. This one's especially squishy. And the two ones that I have are the reproduced ones. I do not have any original ones. The original ones aren't as slow rising from what I've seen from other videos and other people. And the reproduced ones are more slow rising. So I definitely recommend these if you find them. I'm pretty sure if you have like a Claire's store near you, there is probably Hello Kitty squishies there, and I would recommend Hello Kitty donuts. They're really cute and squishy. So yeah, that's the first recommended squishy. The next recommended squishy, if you can get your hands on it, is this iBloom Cutie Pineapple. And this is a new iBloom squishy. This is so, I recommend this so much. Unless you don't like super slow rising squishies, then don't. But it smells really good. It feels so good. It feels just so good. It smells exactly like fresh pineapple. So let's just give it a squish. It's really airy. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you don't like super duper duper slow rising squishies, then this is not a squishy for you, because this squishy is so slow rising. I'm not gonna wait the whole video to let that rise. It takes at least 3 minutes. I counted once for that to rise. But anyway, this iBloom Cutie Pineapple is the next recommended squishy. And it's really cute, and it smells good, and it feels good, and yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so the next one is this Punimaru pancake, and this is a blueberry one. And it smells like very strong blueberries. It smells good though, but it's really strong, strong. But anyway, let's just squish it. It's very squishy. It's kind of big, so it's hard to squish. And it's really realistic too, the shading is really good. And there's the Punimaru license. So yeah, that is the Punimaru Jumbo Bear Pancake, the blueberry one. So yeah, this is recommended. So if you can get your hands on it, I would recommend it. So that's that squishy. The next recommended squishy is, of course, the Pat Pat Zoo Pop Pop Sheet. If you get this squishy, I guarantee you, you will love it. Okay? I mean, feels like a cloud, literally. It is so soft and so slow rising. And it's really big. I know that there's different sizes. This is it doesn't say, but I think this is the jumbo one. And there's smaller ones. Like there's like a medium, a mini, a super mini. But it's so slow rising. And this one smells like grape, and it smells really good. And it feels so soft. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. And I guarantee you will love it if you get it. So next recommended squishy is this a reedy apple, which it's upside down or like sideways in the packaging. So this squishy is so amazing. It doesn't exactly have a scent, but okay. Nothing happened there. I just dropped it. But anyway, it's so airy, it's so soft, and it's so slow rising. And I got the rainbow version. Well, don't really need it in there. And it's really pearly. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's really, 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 really airy. So soft, so airy, and so slow rising. Like, really, it's such a good squishy. I love it so much. So, yeah. I definitely recommend this squishy. If you can get your hands on it. So, yeah. And there's 3 more recommended squishies. So, my next one is, I have a lot of silly squishies, but I just chose one. I chose my narwhal cake to show. I don't usually show this in my YouTube videos, but I just chose a random one. But any silly squishies, brand squishies, are really good and really high quality. But this one got defected really easily, like on the horn. But I don't really care because I don't really squish it that much because it's in a box. It comes in a box like this. And yeah, there's all the designs. There is more designs. And yeah, so I just really recommend it because you'll see. It's so airy, so soft, and so slow rising. Just like the reedy apple, and like, it's, just look at it. It is so soft and slow rising. And I would definitely recommend this. So, yeah. So, the next recommended squishy is this Eye Bloom Angel Bunny. And it is super satisfying to squish, especially on the back. If you saw the video, the package video when I got this. It's adorable and it feels super good. So, I'll squish it on the front first. And like, it's Eye Bloom, and so, yeah, well, like pretty much any Eye Bloom squishy is recommended because like Eye Bloom is awesome. Eye Bloom squishies are awesome. See how satisfying that is to squish them? I don't know why it is. It's just super satisfying to me. And yeah, so this squishy is definitely recommended if you can get your hands on it. And then I have one more squishy that I recommend. And it is a Yummy Bear head bun. And I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because, I mean, it's in packaging and, like, I don't really want to, like, take it out. But anyway, here it is. It's pretty big. It smells really sweet, like honey, like exactly like honey. It's really realistic, and it's adorable. So yeah, let's just squish it. It's not slow rising, but it's not fast rising. So like, it's a good slow rise. So watch. See how it's like, it's not slow, it's not super slow rising, but it's not, excuse me, sorry. It's not super slow rising, but it's not like fast rising. It's not like stressful. Of course it's not. What am I talking about? But anyway, so, yeah. I definitely recommend this. Because, I mean, it's adorable. Because it's Yummy Bear. So, yeah. So, this video... Sorry, my dogs are barking. But this video is getting super long. And I'm sorry about that. But that was all the recommended squishies. And like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. And, yeah. And so I'll see you next video.